Sometimes I end up doing videos and I have no idea why I'm doing them. And this is going to be one of those times.
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Cruiseman's Reviews. And today I'm going to do an kind of an unusual unboxing video and talk a little bit about a product that I actually received by mistake. A company reached out to me a while back and asked me if I wanted to review a pressure washer. And I have reviewed a couple of pressure washers in the past, which does sort of apply because I use it to wash the motorcycle, the car, clean the garage floor, around the house. But the one I've reviewed is mounted to the wall, so it's not portable. I can't move it around. Well, this company had a pressure washer that you can roll around. You know, it's your traditional style electric portable pressure washer. And so I said, absolutely, I'll review it. So they said, okay, we've shipped it to you. And a couple weeks later, I got a box in and it had a LCD projector, not a pressure washer. So I contacted the company. I said, I think you shipped me the wrong product because I don't do reviews or, projectors. Nevertheless, the lady said, hey, go ahead and keep it. Could you do an unboxing video nevertheless? Okay, so obviously, if you're on this channel, you're probably looking for motorsports type content. However, if you happen to be in the market for it's actually a pretty cool product. It's a LCD projector that's wireless. And I'll explain that as best I can from the little bit of research I did. First, let's unbox it. And let me tell you, and I've made some notes here, so forgive me. I'm going to be reading some notes that I pulled off of Amazon and their website. But basically, this is a compact LCD projector that's wireless, but you can also plug things into it. Now, the box says Paris and Rhone, which is interesting because when I clicked on the link that the lady sent me and it goes to Amazon, it shows up with a completely different brand name. It calls it MiTechPro or MiTechPro. It's MiTechPro. I don't know how you pronounce it. So, is it MiTechPro? Is it Paris and Rhone? I don't think it matters. It's obviously the same projector because it looks identical on Amazon. Let's open it up, take a look at it. I'll tell you a little of the specs. So here, let's pop it open and see what's inside, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. Now, I honestly do not even have, I can't think of a wall in my house where I would even project something like this. But some of you guys do have situations where you need a projector. So let's take a look at it. I'm just going to pull it out of the box here. It comes in a nice box. Let's see how this comes out. It's like oh, it's actually pretty small. It is portable. Okay, it comes with a power cable. Looks like a AC power cable. Pretty standard. It does have a remote control. Actually looks like a pretty standard remote control too. It comes with some RCA jacks to a mini plug. So if you had RCA connectors for a video source, I'm assuming that's what that would be for. Of course, I unboxed it upside down. There is documentation. Looks like a fairly comprehensive manual in multiple languages, as you would probably expect nowadays. And let's open this up and see what we got. Now, it's actually pretty compact. I like the form factor of it. It feels that there's a little screw here that must have fallen out. I think that's a foot. I don't know if they purposely ship it. I think that allows you to elevate the projector, for projecting up. And for some reason it was not installed. It just was loose in the package. I'm just going to go ahead and screw it in for now. Here are the inputs. You can see here we have a USB 2 input, headphone jack, I assume that could also be used as an external speaker. An AV jack, which I think is what this plugs into for your RCA input. And then we have, it looks like 2 HDMI ports and a USB 1 port over here. So you're doing good there. But what's really cool about this thing, and of course here is the lens. It comes with a little lens cover. There are some switches on top. There's also a little dial here where you can adjust focus, and you can adjust the parallax, or the, I don't know if you call it parallax, you know, when you're shining up on a wall at an angle, you'll get those angles on the end. You can adjust that to square everything up, and that it has that here. That feels pretty good. I'd say it feels, you know, for this thing only sells for about $170, $180. So I'd say for the price point, it feels to me like it's pretty well made. Maybe about what you would expect, maybe even a little better. What I like about it, or what's cool about it, is you can stream or cast video. So if you have a YouTube video or training videos that you have on your phone or on your laptop or on Vimeo or YouTube, you can cast your video content to this unit wirelessly and have it displayed on the wall. So it actually is a pretty cool. I didn't know anything like that existed. I've done that on televisions, but I've never done it with a projector. So apparently this has like a receiver built in with Wi-Fi. Let me just read some of the features of this. 1920 by 1080 resolution, but then it says 4K support in parentheses, and I don't know what that means. Maybe that means it will let you cast 4K content, but it's still going to deliver it in 1080p. I'm assuming like a downsampling. I'm assuming that's what that means. 10,000 to 1 high contrast ratio, portable projector, brings you 10 times more details. A 6-layer high refractive index coated lens. I don't know what any of that means. 340 ANSI high brightness. 5G plus 2.4G Wi-Fi connection. So it's connecting to your phone or your computer using Wi-Fi. So, you know, it's a pretty cool idea when you think about it. I like the idea that you could just plug this in somewhere remotely. Maybe if you travel, you're camping or something, you want to watch a video. I'm not sure what you display it on unless you carry a screen with you. Maybe the side of your Bluebird motorhome. I don't know. So that's it. That is the MiTechPro portable. It also has, looks to me like perhaps stereo speakers. So it's got built-in speakers too. Need a projector? I think they're about $170, $180. I'm going to put links in the description of this video where you can order this through Amazon if you're interested. And give me your comments down below. I'm anxious to know, good or bad, what do you think of the video? Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you on the next Cruiseman's Reviews. Maybe when the pressure washer comes in, I'll be able to review it. Anyway, thanks for joining me. See you soon.